Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make this beautiful fairy house. Let's make it using clay. So we are going to press this orange clay and make the base. Now we are going to put all the fairy lights inside it, and we are making the trees. Similar way, make the house, its doors and windows using clay. We are putting all the windows as well. Add more details like cut these small strips of clay and make the small details on the doors and windows. Similar way, we are adding all the pattern on the top of the orange clay. Make the rose flowers and trees and put it like this around the house. Switch on the light and look, your fairy lightning house is ready. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful clay model. Let's get started. First, we're going to cut a circle for the base of the house. Similar way, we are putting more clay layers on the top of it, like green layer. Now we are making the house using white clay. After this, we are making the doors and windows for the house. Similar way, make the roof as well. Cut the extra part. Now we are making the tree trunk using brown clay. Put all of them on its side and look at the details of these petals, how pretty these are looking. So we are making these flower petals and put it on the top of the flower and put it on the top of the tree and house like this. Similar way, we are adding more grass using green clay, and we are making little pumpkins as well. Let's make ants now. We are going to roll these black clay and put all of them one after another, and we are making these small legs. Put both of them like we are doing here, and look, the ants are holding pumpkins, and look, your clay model is ready. We are going to make this colorful clay house. Let's get started. First, we are making the base using this blue clay. Now we are making different other elements like the house and doors and windows using clay. Use the scale and cutter, and we are making these small details. Put all of them on the house, make its doors and windows. Now we are making the side as well, and look, it's ready. After this, make trees using brown clay. Similar way, we are making little balls of the clay, put it on the tree trunk, and look, it's ready. Similar way, we are adding grass, and look, your beautiful clay house is ready. Look at this clay house. Let's make it, and the trees are looking so pretty. First, we are making the base. So spread this green clay and we're tapping this brush and give it texture. Now we are making the house using white clay and make the doors and windows using brown clay. Make the roof as well. Make a hole and put the chimney on the top of it. Now put the house on the green grass. Similar way, we are adding more details. Now we are making colorful trees. We are also adding color using sketch pen and add textures like this, and make different trees like orange, yellow, green, and put it around the house. Make pumpkins, and look, your beautiful clay house model is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.